Like Mariah did. And I did.
Were you tied up like this? Oh, yeah. Do you like this play? Why not?
Stupid boy.
Stupid play. We don't say stupid. Why do you think it's stupid?
Because I don't like it.
Because you're tied up. Oh.